CareerChangersUSA.com present Larry Feldman and Tom Backer, helping you succeed.
Cameras are rolling.
Larry Feldman, Career Changers USA, and once again I'm with my good and great friend Tom Backer at his new location, Current Volkswagen. Tom, I've known you, gosh, it's got to be going on 10 years, if not more.
Really?
I have never seen you look this happy and relaxed. You're always asking me questions. What's so great about working here? Because you've been smiling nonstop. Either it's a great place to work or you did something really wild last night. We'll talk about that off camera.
I've been in the business 39 years, going on 40 pretty quick. I've been around the country a few different places, and I wound up in Connecticut 10 years ago, and I've been at a couple different stores. This is my home. I finally found my home. This is a place where ownership and management, their number one focus is their people. And the best thing about it is they don't talk about it.
Excuse me, what was that word you used, that P word?
People.
People. Thank you.
They don't say, we care about our people. No, they care about their people. And constantly, just any ways they can take care of me, and I feel the same way about my people. It's just a very, very comfortable place to work. 50 years in business they've been here, serving the southern Connecticut area. They have very, very loyal following for many years. Most customers that come in here, their parents bought cars here, and they buy cars here, and they know the owner firsthand. And it's just an enjoyable place to work. And there's no stress. Even my wife, every time I come home, she just looks at me. She goes, "You look so happy. I'm so glad that you finally found a place that treats you like you should be treated."
Tom Backer, Current Volkswagen, really nice place to buy a car.
CareerChangersUSA.com